Welcome back to FTx Academy. In today's training, we'll walk through everything you need to know about setting up multi-pack discounts inside the FTx Control Center. Multi-pack discounts are a powerful tool to encourage larger purchases while also keeping your reporting and scan data submissions accurate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure these discounts, when to use blacklist or whitelist, and how to stay compliant with manufacturer scan data requirements. To get to the discounts module, after logging into Control Center, click on Point of Sale, then Price Book, then click on Discounts and Buydowns. A multi-pack discount is applied when a customer purchases a set quantity of a product, for example, 2 packs of cigarettes or 2 cans of nicotine pouches. Instead of applying a discount to just one item, the system recognizes the bundle and applies the deal automatically. In many cases, these discounts can fire multiple times in one transaction. So if the rule is buy 2, save $1, and the customer buys 4 packs, the discount would apply twice. However, if cartons are also eligible, you'll want to set a transaction limit to ensure your reporting remains clean and accurate. One decision you'll make is whether this discount is stackable. A stackable discount allows customers to combine their multi-pack deal with another active promotion. For example, you might let them use a loyalty discount with a non-loyalty discount. This setting gives you flexibility in how aggressive you want your promotions to be. Many multi-pack discounts are tied directly to loyalty programs. Requiring loyalty ensures the discount is connected to a specific customer, which is especially important for tobacco manufacturers that require loyalty-based promotions for scan data compliance. When enabled, the customer's loyalty account must be added to the transaction to receive the deal. This not only satisfies program rules, but also strengthens your customer relationships by rewarding repeat buyers. Because multi-pack discounts often feed into retail scan data reports, you'll need to pay close attention to product classification codes. For example, RJ Reynolds, ITG, and Philip Morris each have unique reporting requirements. Some manufacturers provide different codes for cans versus rolls, or even for different package sizes. We've recently seen this with brands like Helix for your on pouches, where cans use one code, but rolls require another, which requires separate discounts. Getting these codes right is essential, otherwise you risk incorrect reporting and lost rebate dollars. Setting a limit per transaction is critical. Without it, discounts can fire multiple times unintentionally, leading to failed transactions and scan data. Another helpful safeguard is setting a customer daily limit. This ensures that if a customer makes multiple trips in a single day, they don't receive the same multi-pack discount more times than allowed by the manufacturer. You'll also notice options for discount filtering. This lets you control exactly which products or categories are included or excluded from your campaign. For example, you could whitelist specific brands like RJ Reynolds and exclude competing products from other manufacturers. We'll cover discount filtering in detail in another video, but it's worth noting that this is a key feature when setting up targeted multi-pack promotions. Finally, don't forget to check the scan data module. Multi-pack discounts need to be reported correctly in your RJ Reynolds, ITG, or Philip Morris scan data files. Some discounts will require you to divide deals across categories or use different codes for packs versus cartons. Taking the time to configure this correctly ensures you stay eligible for manufacturer rebate programs. And that's it! You've just learned how to set up and manage multi-pack discounts in your FTx Control Center. We covered transaction limits, stackable discounts, loyalty requirements, scan data classifications, and compliance with manufacturer reporting. If you found this training helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, for more step-by-step trainings. And don't forget to log into FTx Academy to continue your learning journey with full-length training modules. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.